how to turn on or turn off Customize weather app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then from the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. And then in here, tap on advanced features. Next, tap on Bixby. Then in Bixby settings, scroll down and tap on customization service. Now from here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on the weather toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, once it is turned on, you can get up-to-date weather notifications for your location based on your daily usage patterns. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off customized weather app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.